So hi guys, welcome back, and in this particular video I'm gonna show you how to make a radar using Arduino, servo motor and an ultrasonic sensor. So before starting this video, I'm gonna show you three useful things that I talked about already: the Arduino, the servo motor and the ultrasonic sensor. So first of all, let's see the Arduino. So as you can see guys, this is an Arduino Uno. So I'm going to talk about this in my upcoming videos, but for now this is basically a microcontroller which can be used to build up many projects including robots and many more things. So you're going to require this one, and also you're going to require one servo motor, which is this one, and an ultrasonic sensor, which is this one. And here I have pasted the ultrasonic sensor on the servo motor, and this looks like this. And when you connect this using the Arduino, and then it will rotate and work as a radar, and then we're gonna see how we can extract the output of this radar into a laptop. So let's begin guys, let's begin.
So guys, now I'm gonna show you how to make this. So this is our Arduino, and if we zoom in a little bit, and now you can see over here, this is the Arduino. As you can see, there are some pins over here numbered 10, 11, 12 and so on, and here are the power pins. There's a 5-volt pin and also a ground pin. So, and here is our ultrasonic sensor with a servo motor, and this is our Arduino. So there are the power pins, and also there are the 12 and 13 and ground pins and so on. So now let's show you how to make this. And this is our breadboard, and here are some jumper wires. So just follow me.
So hi guys, as you can see, now we have made this radar, and as you can see, this is our ultrasonic sensor, which is the sonar sensor, and this is our servo motor. And as you have seen, we have connected all the wiring, and using that, we have connected everything on the breadboard and to the Arduino. And now we have the cable of the Arduino, and here's the laptop. So let's connect it to this laptop. Now first let's connect the Arduino cable. So guys, now as you can see, here is our laptop screen, and now we're gonna use the Arduino code which is given in the description to program the Arduino. So if you don't already know how to do this, you can check out few videos about the Arduino basics on YouTube, or else you can wait for a video which I'm gonna make on this. So first, as you can see, this is the Arduino code. Let's open it. And now this is the Arduino code, and it actually tells the Arduino what to do. and it programs the servo motor, and it also programs the ultrasonic sensor. So if you know a bit of coding, Arduino coding, you're gonna know what we are about to. But if you don't know anything, just simply select all this and copy this. So, and after copying, you're gonna open the Arduino IDE. And this Arduino IDE, actually this is the Arduino software which you're gonna get free of cost from arduino.cc. Link is given in description. If you don't know anything about it, you can just download it and see a couple of videos or basic videos on Arduino programming. Or if you don't want to do all that, just download the software, install it, and then open it like this. So as you can see guys, now the Arduino software has opened up, and now as you can see there is some sample code. So first we're gonna remove all this sample code and paste our code. So now we have pasted our code, and one important thing you're gonna see that the Arduino is connected in COM3 over here. So you can check out in which COM this Arduino is connected on your PC. So there is an option in the Arduino software. So go to tools and you can check out that the board is Arduino Uno if you haven't done it yet, and you can see that the port is COM3, and this is really important to check your COM port in which your Arduino has been connected, because if you don't do this, and then you will face some problem in the processing software, as there you need it, and you will understand this later. So now here we don't need any COM port, so there are two options to compile the sketch or upload. So here we're gonna use the upload button to upload this sketch to the Arduino Uno board. So now we have clicked the upload button. So now the save as dialog box has opened up. To save the sketch, if you want to do that, we don't gonna do this. And now as you can see guys, the compiling has started. So let's wait till the sketch is compiled. So now as you can see guys, the sketch has been compiled and it's uploading, and now it's done uploading. The sketch has been uploaded on the Arduino Uno board. So now let's go to the Arduino Uno board and check if our servo motor and ultrasonic sensors are working or not. And now as you can see, as we have connected the cable, the Arduino got powered on, and now the ultrasonic sensor is moving around with the help of a servo motor. So the radar is working. So now guys, we need a visual output of the radar. So now guys, as we need a visual output of the radar, so now we're gonna open a processing software and we're gonna use the processing code to get a visual output of the radar. So now let's open the processing software. It is known as Processing 3. You can just Google it up, Processing 3, and you can download it from any website. So that's why I'm not giving the link in the description, because it can be googled up and downloaded. So here is processing 64-bit because this PC is 64-bit. And now we are opening the processing software. So now let's wait for the processing software to open up. So here is the antivirus prompt. I'm gonna click run, and now this is the processing tree. Let's wait till it opens. So now guys, as you can see, the processing software has opened up. So we don't need all this. We're gonna close this, and then we're gonna simply paste our processing code in this processing software. So let's do that. So let's open our processing code. The processing code is given in description. You can get it from there. By the way, it's programmed in Java. So if you know a little bit of Java, you can do it on your own. So if you don't want all that, simply just get the processing code from the description and copy and paste it in your processing software. So this is our processing code. We're gonna select and copy the processing code, and we're gonna paste this in the processing software. So now one really important thing I'm gonna tell you, that there is the serial COM port, and here as you can see this is the COM3 because my Arduino has been connected in COM3. So here you're gonna replace this by your own COM port, else this will not work. And this is really important. I already told you how to get the COM port from the tools in the Arduino software. So from there, check in which port the Arduino has been connected and then change it by your own COM port, and then click run to run the processing software. And as you can see, now we've got a visual output, and this is the ultrasonic sensor. The green lines indicate that there's nothing around, and the red lines indicate that there's an object right in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So now as you can see the green lines, now simultaneously I'm going to show you what should be the effect. So now as you can see my hand is in front of the ultrasonic sensor on the screen. As you can see, when the ultrasonic sensor is turned around here, and then you can see over here the green lines would appear, something like this, as you can see. And now the red lines are appearing because my hand is just right in front of the ultrasonic sensor. So as you can see in the laptop, the red lines are appearing, and when there's nothing in front of the ultrasonic sensor, there are only green lines, as you can see. So this radar detects very well how close is that object. Now let's keep a hand so close, and also you're gonna see that it detects the angle and distance of the object quite well, as you can see. And this is all about our radar. So hope you like this video of the radar, and if you like it, just say like, subscribe, share. As you can see in the ultrasonic sensor and the laptop simultaneously. As you can see, this is the ultrasonic sensor. My camera is in front of that. As you can see, it is detected quite well in the laptop. Thanks for watching. Great day, guys.